Welcome to Garage Lab. We are very glad to bring you new feature, and today we will show you module integration into Laravel Page Builder. From now, you can install or use several different modules into our Page Builder plugin. So before going to the main discussion, um, we want to thanks every our supporters for your interest in Garage Lab, and I hope you will find all your necessary products into our shop section. There are 50 plus 57 products currently listed, and all products are fully production ready. So please stay with Garage Lab and let us know your feedback time to time. We have the support live chat available, so whenever you have any queries, uh, just drop your email address with your queries. We will get back to you, uh, and we will provide you full technical support. So to get the Laravel page builder, just found find it in the shop list page, and you will see the product details with the demonstrations. We have lots of demonstrations listed here. All are self-explanatory, so you can easily understand how the products works. And not only the demos, we have listed all the bullet point features that we provide into our plugins, and all are fully working. And just grab one demonstration and you will see that in action. So let's jump into today's demonstration. We have added a new feature called modules. So after you install this package into Laravel, you will see a new section, modules. Okay, and in this modules section, you can use several different modules and with page builders. So any modules, for example, we are displaying the posts module, it will create an unlimited post for your blog or articles, and you can use it from the navigation also. As soon as you install this module into your Laravel package, you will see a navigational link on the sidebar. For example, let's deactivate this and you will see the navigation is not here, and as soon as you install it, it will be available into the navigation sidebar, and you can create unlimited posts from these links. Okay, so I hope this feature will boost your sales and your presence in web. So thanks for being with us. Bye.